Ready to upgrade your MRI system, but hesitant about the cost of a new scanner? I'm here to tell you that you can advance the capabilities of your MRI without having to pay the $1 million price tag of a whole new machine. The GE Continuum is unique from any other OEM because the platform allows you to add additional technology to your MRI by upgrading the software without having to replace the entire magnet. This not only saves you money, it also saves you downtime. Imagine replacing that 30-day project with just a 5-day upgrade in applications training. Sounds great, right? But where do you start? I've seen countless facilities flounder when it comes to the MRI upgrade process. Does their end-of-life equipment need to be replaced? What software level is best for your practice? How many coil channels do you require? Navigating platform upgrades on GE Continuum can be a daunting task if you don't have a partner to help you through those options. SWMR is that knowledgeable partner. On our website, we have a comprehensive guide to help you compare the different platforms from the 9X all the way through the 23X platform. We help you navigate the Continuum by comparing available coils, electronic capabilities, options, slew rates, gradient quality, technology for moving versus non-moving anatomy, image reconstruction, and more. Remember, scalability is on your side. Each evolution in the software isn't reinventing the wheel. It is advancing your capabilities through increased computing speed, software capabilities, or increasing the number of channels for your coils. Whether you're looking to move from 4-channel to 8-channel HD coils, or your facility does enough moving anatomy scans to warrant a jump to 16X or 23X, upgrading your system doesn't need to be a $1 million investment. Want an expert's opinion for your next move? SWMR provides the system type, options, and coils that are required to produce the diagnostic imaging results required for your facility. Check out our MRI comparison guide and connect with our sales department through our website to help you decide which upgrade meets your patient's needs. Visit us at swmr.us.